On Monday, a federal judge made a decision that will have a negative impact on Senator Bob Menendez and his defense team. They tried to get the bribery charges dismissed. No go, said the judge. Present your case, and this is going to go to the jury. For all the details, Laura Jones has the story. Laura?
Judge William Walls in the Senator Bob Menendez bribery trial denied the defense's request to dismiss the bribery charges, saying the jury will decide whose version of what happened or didn't happen. He added that the burden of proof is still on the government and that this is bribery. The defense denies the charges, and the judge said that is why this is going to the jury. Last week, the government rested its case, and today the defense took to the stand, calling as his first witness Senator Bob Menendez's son, Bob Menendez Jr. Now, what the defense is trying to do is convince the jury that the senator and eye doctor, Dr. Solomon Melgen, are very close friends, so taking vacations together, spending holiday time together is very natural. It's very common. The senator's son, Bob Menendez Jr., said the two were more like brothers, not two people trying to scheme the government out of money. The government says the state's senior senator accepted political donation. He accepted luxury trips, even rides on private jets, in exchange for helping the Florida eye doctor in a $9 million Medicare dispute with the government. In Newark, I'm Laura Jones for Chasing News.
All right, thank you, Laura. All right, I want to bring in an expert on these matters, former prosecutor in Morris County, New Jersey. Bob Bianchi joins me now. Bob, welcome back to Chasing News.
Thank you, Bill.
What is the significance of this judge's ruling? The judge is saying, no go. You got to present your case, and we're going to a jury.
So it's important for the community to understand that at this stage of a trial, before the case is concluded, that the defense always makes a motion to stop the case before it goes to the jury. This is a common thing. However, under the law, all legitimate inferences are given to the prosecution at this stage. The defense made an argument that the prosecutor presented absolutely no evidence factually or legally to justify the bribery charge, and therefore it should be thrown out at this early stage of the proceeding. And the judge said, no, they presented enough evidence where it could go to a jury. Jury may accept it, jury may reject it, but the prosecution at this stage has presented enough.
In your professional opinion as a prosecutor, do you think there were more things that they left on the table? Do you think they did do an effective job? Not asking you to guess whether or not the jury is going to convict or acquit, but what are your thoughts?
Yeah, I think the prosecution did a very effective job with what they had. The issue really is with regard to this bribery law after especially the McDonald decision in Virginia.
Governor McDonald, Virginia, yep. They threw the charges out.
Like, you know, Bill, you know this as well as I do. I mean, any politician right now that takes contributions from somebody is going to be very concerned if down the road they do some sort of favor or benefit.
All right, Bob, thank you. Always good to talk to you. We'll talk soon. Great. Let me bring in